All right, guys.
Oh, you got a good one.
We are fishing and we're camping with the family here. And I think I got it.
You sure did.
I got me a nice little rainbow trout. There we go, rainbow trout. So maybe we'll get some trout for dinner tonight. We'll see.
It's a rainbow trout.
Rainbow trout?
Yeah, I think.
What'd you get?
A rainbow trout, I think.
Rainbow trout, let's see.
Time for fish demo.
And we're back at camp. As you can see, we've got our rainbow trout here, 6 of them. Got them all cleaned out, got the heads chopped off. And when you have fish that are this small, you can't really fillet them, right? A lot of little bones, and you're not gonna get a big chunk off there. So you need to cook these whole. Come on over here. Shout out to my subscribers from Maryland. I forgot your names, but I met you in Pennsylvania. Gave me this sweet camo Maryland hat and a bunch of Old Bay. Old Bay garlic and herb inside the fish cavity. We'll put it around the outside too, even though we're not gonna eat the skin. Just looks prettier. Now we're gonna scoop a little bit of butter inside each trout. A little more of that Old Bay on top, just like that. And I had some parsley left over. We did a little shrimp and sausage boil video here last night. And of course, if you watch that video, you'll see that I forgot my cutting boards at home. So we're using paper, cardboard. So there we go, a little bit of parsley down inside each one of those fish as well. We're just gonna fold this up. This is the way we cooked our trout when we were kids growing up. You just steam them in aluminum foil. So small trout, I should say, small rainbow trout. And I have some potatoes left over from that recipe as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and chop these up, leave the skin on, and we're gonna fry these. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice these up. And we'll chop up a little bit of onion to go with those potatoes. We have the Blackstone Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle, screaming hot, and we're gonna put that trout straight down on top to start steaming. The fish is steaming away. You can hear that butter, and we're gonna go down with some extra virgin olive oil. Actually, I started to run out of olive oil. We had to go to a local general store. It's olive oil mixed with vegetable oil, and of course I had a little bit of garlic paste, just a little bit left, and a little bit of onion in with that garlic. So oil, garlic, and onion, and straight down with those sliced red potatoes. I can see we're cooking really hot and heavy here, so we're gonna go down here and back that down to low heat. Just cut it down a little bit. And a shout out to another subscriber from Virginia. I forgot his name. I meet so many nice people. Sawtooth Pepper Company. He gave me some cowboy habanero seasoning. You want to make sure you're watching all of my Let's Give It a Try videos. We filmed several yesterday, and the cows are coming through like crazy. They're doing free range grazing through here, and so the cowboys were herding cattle through here all day yesterday. And of course I have to have black pepper, so a little bit of black pepper on there with that cowboy habanero seasoning. I can hear that trout sizzling away. So I'm gonna see if I can get my potatoes all into one section here. A little bit of water. We're gonna try to steam these to bring them up to temperature using my Blackstone Adventure Ready collapsible basting dome. Of course, all but 4 potatoes fit under there. Let's check on my potatoes. Potatoes looking absolutely perfect, and I have a feeling that we're getting really close over here in Trout World. Oh, Aaron, check that out. Look at that beautiful parsley, Old Bay, garlic, and herb butter. Oh man, are you kidding me? Peel this straight off and you can see right there. That trout is done. It's perfect. So let's go ahead and pull everything. Potatoes coming off first. We're camping. Realize I didn't bring any of those pretty serving platters that I'm always using, but hey, I found some aluminum pans and aluminum foil, and we have us a beautiful dinner here. And same thing goes with the fish. I'm going to use a paper plate here. Put that down on top. And come on over here. Take a look at that. And we have extra parsley. Again, boy, a little bit of parsley goes a long way, I suppose. We could go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that parsley on our potatoes tonight. We could probably even hit those trout up with a little additional Old Bay just so they look extra pretty. Now when you have these small fish like this, like I said, look, you just peel that skin back. That's all you do. These are just small, they call them pan fry fish, right? Fish that are so small you can't fillet them up. We don't pan fry things around here, we use a griddle. And you can see, you just pull it off like that. You pull the meat straight off of the bones like this. Let's give it a try. Right down to the bone. Delicious?
Tender, yes.
Check out that big piece right there. Oh my goodness, man. Rocky Mountain rainbow trout. Old Bay on the trout, excellent, and I'm loving that cowboy habanero seasoning. The cameraman approves. How was it?
It was really good. It was really good.
Yeah. Growing up in Pennsylvania, my dad was a big trout fisherman, and so always stream fish for trout. We cooked a lot of trout, and so for some reason just love it, and they love it as well. As you can see, the trout was delicious and disappeared, and we only have a few potatoes left. So now it's time to start the campfire and enjoy that gorgeous view of the Rocky Mountains. So until next time, this is Todd and Aaron. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the trout. This is our bathroom / shower, and check it out. There's a cow grazing right behind us.